Thank you very much. I think we have taken our couple of questions.
There's another hand I see.
Yeah, you want to?
You want to ask to me or not?
Yes. Ask, please, Mr. President.
Please don't ask a hard question.
Thank you. Yes, I guess I would love to ask two questions, actually, a sort of double-barrel question. One, starting with you, I wonder, you talked a little bit about the fact that you still look to Europe as a leader in the world. I wonder if you see it as something that could replace the United States and as something that could sort of fill in the gaps that the United States is leaving as it pulls back. And then President von der Leyen, I wonder if the ACI, the anti-coercion instrument, is on the table as you consider preparing further countermeasures.
No, I think United States will be always a very important leader in the world, but I consider Europe to be also very important factor in the world civilization. The history of Europe, Europe is in the leading edge of many science, technology, etc. And Europe is always leading the world in upholding democratic values, human rights, etc. So we consider Europe still a very important factor, and we would like to see a very strong Europe. This I think, is part of this the world architecture of let us say multipolar and powers that will contribute to peace and stability, because the planet is getting smaller. So everything now is interconnected, and climate change is a fact of life. Environmental impact of industrialization is a fact of life. So the planet getting smaller. We need a strong powers that contribute to peace and stability, and we consider Europe to be very important. Yes.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.